Hi guys, let's jump right into this deep conditioning routine. My hair is freshly washed with the Shea Moisture Argan Oil and Almond Milk Smooth and Tame Shampoo and the Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. And my deep conditioner of choice today is the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. This is my first time using this mask and it did pretty good. And right here my hair is already into 4 sections. I go ahead and take some of that Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Hair Mask and apply it to the section. And then I begin to detangle with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends and working my way all the way up to the roots. And I do make sure I detangle my hair really well and get all the kinks out, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I go ahead and separate my hair into subsections and I begin to apply the hair mask kind of like you would apply a relaxer, if that makes sense. I did transition from getting relaxers. I did not do a big chop. So I started the roots, working my way all the way down to the ends, making sure that I'm really mashing the product into my hair and making sure every strand gets some of that hair mask. And then I repeat this process through the rest of this section. And as I continue the process, I really make sure I'm raking the product through my hair and finger detangling as I go. And right here I'm doing the praying hands method to further mash that product into my hair and help my curls clump together. And I do go back in with the spray bottle as needed because I like for my hair to be soaking wet during this process. I feel my hair soaks up the product better when it's wet, and I make sure to get my roots and my edges. And as you can see, I just continue to rake that product in there, making sure it's getting all through my hair. And then I just go back in with some extra hair mask on the strands that I feel like need a little bit more love and attention. I basically want to feel that each strand is coated with this product. And then you can go in with whichever oil of your choice. I chose olive oil this day, and I make sure that I massage the product into my scalp. This is very important for stimulation and hair growth. And we are finished with our first section, so just twist it up and repeat the same steps to the other sections. I make sure the section is wet, and if you watch my other videos, you've seen me do this trick where I take product from a previous section and apply it to the one I'm working on now. And the next few parts will be sped up because I'm literally just repeating the same steps. mind me on this part right here. Kiki, do you love me? And that's it. I just put a plastic cap over it, and sometimes I sit it in the dryer for about 30 minutes, or a trick that I do is I let my conditioner sit overnight, and that is what I did this particular time. And then I repeat this process once a week. And this is my hair once I wash the conditioner out. My curls are juicy, moisturized, and ready for styling. And that is it for my deep condition routine, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like it, comment, let me know if you're gonna try this and if it works for you. And feel free to share any tips from your deep condition routine. See you in my next video.